The QuakeSmart structure is just like it sounds. The foundation, floor, ceiling, walls, and columns are the structure. Structure also addresses the building facade to help identify unreinforced or unanchored brick or exterior architectural elements. Consider what a building looks like during construction. Those structural elements are made and assembled first, followed by non-structural systems, then space. Structure retrofits require an engineer or design professional to address, but this section can help organizations understand and prioritize what strengthening measures may be needed to maintain operations. If you own the building, you can address any issue directly. If you lease, communicate and work with the building owner about strengthening the structure to ensure it is operational post-earthquake. In QuakeSmart Structure, you will learn about types of buildings that have earthquake vulnerabilities and ways to strengthen them. The questions to ask are, what type of building is it? When was it constructed? And which materials and methods were used to build it? When you combine the answers to these questions with the type of soil under the building, as it may intensify ground shaking, you will better understand why the structure may not perform well in an earthquake. This information can help prioritize retrofit or strengthening plans. Often assumptions are made that buildings were built to code or handled the past earthquake, but advances in building science have improved earthquake-resistant construction methods over time, and every earthquake makes older buildings weaker. After earthquakes, scientists and engineers learn from building performance, and then new standards and building codes incorporate these findings to make the building safer. Unlike non-structural building systems and space, structure retrofits may be expensive to complete. However, without strengthening, the building may experience enough damage in an earthquake to be declared a total loss. Now, that would be expensive. QuakeSmart Structure is about investing in the building to improve its earthquake performance. After an earthquake, consider how difficult it will be to find a new building when other organizations are trying to relocate as well. And most importantly, consider the safety of all occupants of the structure. Some of the most vulnerable buildings are unreinforced masonry construction built before modern earthquake-resistant building codes were in place. Concrete tilt-up construction, often used in warehouses, and unreinforced soft or weak-story construction where parking is built on the ground floor and the living or commercial units are up on top of that. QuakeSmart Structure will describe resources and approaches to strengthen buildings. All recommendations in the QuakeSmart Toolkit are based on FEMA publications and earthquake engineering research updated after lessons learned from previous earthquakes. It's time to make buildings stronger. The QuakeSmart Toolkit has many great resources to help you complete each structure task. Also, learn what actions make you eligible for QuakeSmart Structure recognition.